Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have Double Bubble Gumball Machine Toy Surprise. Got yellow surprise egg. A smiley yellow surprise egg. Let's open what's inside. We got Figaro. We have blue, light blue, a light blue capsule. Let's check inside. We have number 2, color is green. And we have the figure Mashims of Nemo. A yellow capsule. And we have a blue unicorn from Tokidoki. We have a light blue ball. What do you think is inside? We got Dumbo. And letter, what letter is this? That's right, letter K, and it's blue. Can you please give me one word that starts with letter K? Yeah, kite. Kite. Purple surprise egg. It's yellow. We have Barbacos from the Bar Papa. And he is yellow. He's holding his pet. Barbacos loves animals. We have an orange capsule. Wires. Here we have a toy figure from Monsters and Pirates. Green surprise egg. Marshall from Paw Patrol. Purple surprise egg. We got a figure of Max from The Secret Life of Pets. And letter, what letter is this? P. Can you give me one word that starts with letter P? Excellent, pizza. Makes me hungry. We have a dark blue surprise ball. We got a yellow number 8. Very good. And here's our toy. Looks like we have a figure from Sonic. We got Shadow the Hedgehog. We have a pink surprise. Pink capsule. We got My Little Pony. The pretty pink Pinkie Pie. Stretch. 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 Squish. Squishy. Pinkie Pie. We have another blue surprise egg. Light blue. We get a yellow letter. Very good. Letter C. What word starts with letter C? Yes, a cake. Cake starts with letter C. And let's see our toy. We have a glittery Shopkins. We have a white surprise. Peppa Pig Yo-Yo. We have another white capsule surprise. Hello Kitty holding 2 strawberries. We have a red surprise. Red capsule. We get a red number 4. And here's our toy surprise. We got a haul from Angry Birds. Stretch, stretch, squeeze. Stretch, stretch, squeeze.